So hi everyone, welcome back once again to daily job sharing series. Exactly what we are going to do, we are going to share a couple of jobs. This is a disclaimer, which means whatever job links I'm going to share with you, authenticate from your end, because I don't want you to be part of a scam, right? So let's get started. So this is the first job that we have, which is for the network engineer L2. It's in Noida, and they're going to pay you around 80,000 in hand, and joining will be immediate joining L2. And the other responsibility you need to do, you need to handle L1 L2 support, network support, troubleshooting, and all those things. You should have but strong networking skills, fundamentals, and all those things. And if you're in Noida, then you will be much more preferable. This is a mail ID on which you can apply, you can send your resume, and this is a contact number if you want to talk with the team. You can drop a message. Right now the next opening is basically for the Android and iOS security testers. It's from OT security testing work from office, and this is the mail ID manish.tas@matrixready.com, right? Meanwhile, if you're looking for any training come internship program, which means Karo skills milega and you'll get 100% internship. Check out both the URLs for web application pen testing. You can see this one for SOC Analyst. See this one. Now, next opening is basically for the Microsoft email security engineer. It's in Koregaon, Pune. European client is there. 3 day work from office, 2 day work from home. This is a monthly rotation shift, and this is what you need to do. Right, you will do all those things. And this is the mail ID on which you will send your job. Right. Next opening is for SOC Analyst L2. So check out all those things. This is mail ID on which you can send your resume, and this is what you need to write on subject line. Just pause the video and see what exactly they're looking for. Next is someone is hiring for incident response and security monitoring engineer. 3 to 5 years experience required. It's in Gurgaon. It's hybrid, right? What you will work on is all those things. They are the ideal profile, right? Nisa.kumari388 accessdance.com is the mail. Next is in Pune, network engineer, global business school research center. Location is Tarawade, and 30,000, 35,000 they're going to pay you. Experience is 3 to 4 years of experience required, and this is mail ID on which you can drop resume, right? That's what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to join training and internship program on web and pen testing, check out this file. If you're joining for SOC, check out this file. Thank you. Have a great day. Jai Hind.